remove the brackets and simplify. Okay, A, B are quite easy, and then C is a little bit harder. So we've got 5 brackets x plus 3 plus 3 brackets x plus 2. So same idea, we'll just treat this as a single case, so it would be 5 times x plus 3 times 5, or 5 times 3, plus 3 times x plus 3 times 2. So 5 times x will give me 5x, 5 times 3 will give me 15, and 3 times x will give me 3x, plus 3 times 2, which is 6. Next thing is we collect like terms together, so I'm going to put the 5x and the 3x together, and then the 15 and the 6 together, and then adding them together, 5x plus 3x will make 8x, and then 15 plus 6 makes 21. Right, the next one's quite interesting because we've got 5x and then we've got plus 7 times x minus 3. So we'll just first of all write down the 5x because we're not actually expanding that. And then we will need to do 7 times x plus 7 times 3. It's minus because we've got a minus here in the bracket. So that will give me 5x plus 7x times minus 21. And then we're going to collect the like terms together. So we've got 5x and 7x. That's going to make a 12x. And then we've just got a minus 21 there. The important bit to realise is that we're only going to expand the second part. This is not part of the expansion. Right, now to our slightly harder question. Slightly harder because we've got a minus sign here. So we got expanding 5 times 2x, which gives me 5 times 2x. 5 times minus 4, which gives me minus 5 times 4. And then minus 2 times 3x gives me minus 2 times 3x. And then minus 2 times minus 4. 5 times 2 gives me 10, so that will give me 10x. Here we're just going to get minus 20. Here we're going to get minus 6x. But here we've got a minus times a minus. So that will become a positive. Collecting together like terms. So we've got 10x minus 6x, and then minus 20 plus 8. Grouping those together, we get 10 minus 6, which gives me 4x, and then minus 20 plus 8 gives me minus 12. So this has been a video to show you how to expand and simplify brackets. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.